Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, JK, SSB, which is in police, railway and in other state level exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank, PO clerk, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC net, police, railway and another state level recruitments. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि रिवाइज करें ईच चैप्टर ईच पार्ट एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस एंड दे कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस MCQs PYQs एज वेल बिफोर देयर एग्जामिनेशन। इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड स्पेशली आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जहाँ मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूँगा। अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल। And previously we had already completed the MCQ PYQ set 1 in which we had discussed at least 20 questions. अगर आपने अभी तक उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा, video is available there, you can go and watch that video as well. And today this will be our second MCQ PYQ set. So let's start with the question number 21. The first question is, in computer terminology, which of the following best describes the device driver? This question had been already asked in UGC NET 2019. Your options are 1. Software that allows the user to control the operating system. 2. Hardware that allows the user to control the operating system. 3. Hardware that allows interaction between peripheral devices and the operating system. And 4. Software that allows interaction between peripheral devices and the operating system. Here the correct answer is option 4. Software that allows interaction between peripheral devices and the operating system. Let's see the explanation. डिवाइस ड्राइवर्स जो है दीज आर द स्पेशलाइज्ड सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर्स जो कि हेल्प करते हैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को टू कम्युनिकेट विथ हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट्स सच एज printers, graphics card, keyboard and other storage devices. And without these device drivers जो operating system है that cannot properly recognize and utilize the hardware. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is dash dash helps in converting programming language to machine language. Your options are 1. Operating system, 2. Device driver, 3. Language translator and 4. Linker. Here the correct answer is option 3. Language translator. Let's see an explanation. लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर जो है इट इज़ नथिंग बट इस सिस्टम प्रोग्राम जो कि कन्वर्ट करता है हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस को सच एज सी, जावा और पाइथन इनटू मशीन लैंग्वेज और बाइनरी कोड जो कि कंप्यूटर फर्दर समझता है एंड दैट फर्दर कंप्यूटर रन्स। एंड इसके जो एग्जांपल्स हैं दैट इंक्लूड्स कंपाइलर्स जो कि ट्रांसलेट करते हैं एंटायर कोड को एट वंस, इंटरप्रेटर्स जो कि ट्रांसलेट और एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं कोड्स को लाइन बाय लाइन, एंड असेंबलर जो कि कन्वर्ट करते हैं असेंबली लैंग्वेज को इनटू मशीन कोड। हेंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अनदर क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज a linker program. Your options are 1. Places the program in the memory for the purpose of execution. 2. Relocates the program to execute from the specific memory area allocated to it. 3. Links the program with other programs needed to its execution. And 4. Interfaces the program with the entities generating its input data. Here the correct answer is option 3. Links the program with other programs needed to its execution. Let's see an explanation. लिंकर जो है इट इज़ नथिंग बट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि कंबाइन करता है मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट फाइल्स को दैट आर जनरेटेड बाय कंप्यूटर और असेंबलर इनटू ए सिंगल एग्जीक्यूटिबल प्रोग्राम जो कि आल्सो रिजॉल्व करते हैं रेफरेंसेस टू एक्सटर्नल फंक्शंस, लाइब्रेरीज एंड मॉड्यूल्स दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन. And some important functions of linker include it combine object files into the executable file. Then it also resolves addresses for function cells and variables, as well as it also links the program with necessary libraries including static and dynamic. Therefore जो linker है it ensures that सभी जो required program components हैं that are correctly referenced before execution. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let us proceed to another question. The question is, the main purpose of dash dash is to resolve references among files. Your options are 1. Text editor, 2. Loader, 3. Antivirus, and 4. A linker. Here the correct answer is option 4. Linker. Let's see an explanation. As just we had discussed, जो linker head is responsible for resolving references among different objective files and libraries when any program translate code into machine language. At that time, जो linker है, it has a multiple modules or functions that perform various functions or modules that are located in this separate files. And ये जो linker है, it makes sure सभी जो references हैं including function cells or variables that are correctly mapped or linked before execution. And some common functions जो कि linker perform करता है includes it resolves symbolic references among different file objects, as well as it also combine multiple objective files into single executable program, and it also link necessary files functions. It also link necessary library functions including static and dynamic, and it also allocate or it also issue addresses for functions and variables. So all of these functions जो है, these functions makes linker as an essential component for creating a fully functional executable program. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है, that is our correct answer. MCQ सॉल्व करने के साथ साथ मेक श्योर आप एक्सप्लेनेशन भी ध्यान दें, सो दैट जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू एज वेल, बिकॉज कई टॉपिक जो हैं जो कि हम थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट में डिस्कस नहीं कर पाते हैं, या कई क्वेश्चन जो हैं दैट आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ जो कि हम कवर नहीं कर पाते हैं इन MCQ. सो ये इम्पॉर्टेंट बनता है आपके लिए कि आप एक्सप्लेनेशन पे भी फोकस करें, आप एक्सप्लेनेशन को अच्छे से रीड करें. और जो पर्पस है हमारे एक्सप्लेनेशन का, दैट इज़ कि आप प्रिपेयर करिए एवरीथिंग वट एवर जो भी आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाएगा. सो ऑल राइट, now let us discuss our next question. The question is, which of the following system software resides in main memory always? Your options are 1. Text editor, 2. Assembler, 3. Linker, and 4. Loader. Here the correct answer is option 4. Loader. Let's see an explanation. जो लोडर है इट्स अ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर दैट रिसाइड्स और दैट आर फाउंड इन द मेन मेमोरी, जो कि बेसिकली लोड करता है प्रोग्राम्स को इनटू मेमोरी फॉर एग्जीक्यूशन, विच आल्सो मेक श्योर दैट कि जो एग्जीक्यूटेबल प्रोग्राम है दैट इज प्लेस्ड इनटू द appropriate memory location, and which also keep programs ready to run. And some important functions of loader include it load executable files into RAM, it also perform memory allocation for programs, as well as it also resolve memory addresses, and it also starts execution of the programs. While if we talk about the other options like text editor, assembler, linker, these are incorrect because they are not always present in the main memory, but rather they are loaded only when needed. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us move to next question. The question is, a kind of system software which is responsible for loading and reloading of the executable program in the main memory. Your options are 1. Loader, 2. Linker, 3. Translator, and 4. Presentation software. As just we had discussed, here the correct answer is option 1. Loader. Let's see an explanation. लोडर जो है इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि हमें रेस्पॉन्सिबल देखने को मिलता है फॉर लोडिंग एंड रीलोडिंग एग्जीक्यूटिबल प्रोग्राम्स इनटू द मेन मेमोरी, विच मेक श्योर दैट कि जो सभी प्रोग्राम्स हैं दैट शुड बी प्लेस्ड इनटू द एप्रोप्रिएट मेमोरी लोकेशन, एंड विच आल्सो कीप प्रोग्राम्स रेडी फॉर एग्जीक्यूशन. And some important functions जो हैं that loader performs include it loads executable programs into RAM, it also allocate memory space for execution, as well as it also resolve memory addresses and जो कि also transfer करता है control to the program. While if we talk about other options like option 2 linker, it is incorrect because जो linker है it combine multiple file objects into single executable file before execution. Then option 3 translator जो है it is also incorrect because जो translator है it convert high level language code into machine language like compiler, assembler, and interpreter. And option 4 presentation software जो है it is also incorrect because जो presentation software है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है to create slide shows like Microsoft PowerPoint but not for program execution. Hence जो हमारा option 1 है that is our correct answer. Now next question, the question is specialized program that allow users to utilize in a specific application is classified as. This question had been already asked in IBPS RRB PO Mains 2017. Your options are 1 relative program, 2 application program, 3 appropriate program, 4 replicate program, and 5 logical program. Here the correct answer is option 2 application program. Let's see an explanation. जो application programs हैं these are the specialized softwares that are basically designed or that are basically used by the users to perform specific tasks like word processing, spreadsheet calculations, and graphic design. And examples of application programs include Microsoft Word for document processing, Adobe Photoshop for graphics design, and Google Chrome for web browsing. While if we talk about other options like option 1 जो है relative program, it is incorrect because it's not standard term used in computing. Then option 3 जो है appropriate software, it is also incorrect because it's not a specific category in software classification. Then option 4 replicate program जो है it is also incorrect because it is not also a standard term used in computing. Then option 5 logical program जो है it is incorrect because these are the logical operations that are used in programming. That does not specifically mean application software. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let us see next question. The question is dash dash is a software which is used to do particular tasks. This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are 1 operating system, 2 program, 3 data software, 4 data, and 5 application software. Here the correct answer is option 5 application software. Let's see an explanation. जो application softwares हैं these softwares are basically designed to perform specific tasks for various users such as word processing, web browsing और gaming, जो कि basically help करते हैं users को to perform specific activities on computer. And इसकी जो examples हैं that includes Microsoft Word for document processing, Google Chrome for web browsing, Adobe Photoshop for image editing. While if we talk about other options like option 1 operating system जो है it is incorrect because जो operating system है it manages computer hardware and software which is not designed for specific tasks. Then option 2 program जो है it is also incorrect because जो program है it is a general term used for the software which is not used to do particular tasks. Then option 3 data software जो है it is also incorrect because it is not a standard term used in computing. And option 4 data जो है it's also incorrect because data जो है it refers to information that is processed by software but not the software itself. And जो हमारा option 5 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is software designed for specific purpose application such as pay calculations, processing of examination results, etc. are known as. Your options are 1 utility software, 2 system software, 3 application software, and 4 customized software. Here the correct answer is option 4 customized software. Let's see an explanation. जो customized softwares हैं these are the specifically designed softwares for particular organization or users in order to meet specific needs such as payroll processing, examination, result processing, or inventory management. और ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं these are basically designed according to the exact or specific requirements of a businesses or institutions. And इसके जो examples हैं that includes payroll management system for company, student result processing software for university, hospital management system for healthcare facility. While if we talk about other options like option 1 utility software जो है it is incorrect because ये जो softwares हैं इनको use किया जाता है to perform general system maintenance tasks like antivirus, disk cleanup, etc. Then option 2 system software जो है it is also incorrect because system software जो है it include basic operating system and device drivers जो कि manage करते हैं hardware and software को. Then option 3 जो है application software it is also incorrect because ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, these are the general purpose programmers like MS Word and web browsers that are not basically developed for specific users. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let us proceed to next question. The question is application software. Your options are: 1 is used to control the operating system, 2 is designed to help programmers, 3 perform specific tasks for computer users, and 4 it is used for making design only. Here the correct answer is option 3, perform specific tasks for computer users. Let's see the explanation. Application software जो हैं these are basically designed to help users in order to perform specific tasks such as word processing, spreadsheet calculations, database management और graphics design. And unlike system software जो कि manage करते हैं hardware and system operations को, जो application softwares हैं they focus on user related functions. And इसके जो examples हैं that includes Microsoft Word for document processing, Adobe Photoshop for graphic design, Google Chrome for web browsing and Tally for accounting. While if we talk about other options like option 1 जो है is used to control the operating system, it is incorrect because जो system software हैं like operating system that basically manage hardware but not the application software. Then option 2 is designed to help programmers is also incorrect because it basically talks about programming softwares like compilers and IEDs. And option 3 जो है is used for making design only, it is also incorrect because जो application softwares हैं that include various types of tasks beyond design like word processing and data analysis. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is the software that is used to create text based documents are referred as. This question had been already asked in SBI PO 2013. Your options are 1 DBMS, 2 Suites, 3 spreadsheets, 4 presentation softwares and 5 word processors. Here the correct answer is option 5, word processors. Let's see an explanation. जो वर्ड प्रोसेसर्स हैं these are the software programmers जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है और जिनको बेसिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है फॉर क्रिएटिंग, एडिटिंग, फॉर्मेटिंग एंड प्रिंटिंग टेक्स्ट बेस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स, जो कि प्रोवाइड करते हैं नेसेसरी टूल्स फॉर राइटिंग, स्पेल चेकिंग, फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट, इंसर्टिंग इमेजेस एंड मोर. एंड इसकी जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं दैट इंक्लूड्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, गूगल डॉक्स, लाइब्रे ऑफिस राइटर एंड अपाची ओपन ऑफिस राइटर. वाइल इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक option 1 DBMS जो है that is a database management system, it is incorrect because इसको यूज़ किया जाता है for managing databases not for creating text documents. Then option 2 Suites जो है it is also incorrect because it refers to the collection of software applications like Microsoft Office rather than specific text processing tool. Then option 3 Spreadsheet जो है it is also incorrect because इसको यूज़ किया जाता है for numerical data calculation and data analysis like Microsoft Excel. And option 4 जो है presentation software it's also incorrect because इसको यूज़ किया जाता है for creating slide shows and presentations like Microsoft PowerPoint, Canva. Hence जो हमारा option 5 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is which of the following general purpose softwares allow to do mathematical or financial calculation? Your options are 1 word processing program, 2 spreadsheet program, 3 presentation program, 4 database program. Here the correct answer is option 2 spreadsheet program. Let's see an explanation. जो spreadsheet program है it is a type of general purpose software जो कि allow करते हैं users को to perform mathematical and financial calculations, organizing data in tabular form, create charts and to apply formulas for automated computations. एंड इसके जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं दैट इंक्लूड्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, गूगल शीट्स, लाइब्रे ऑफिस, क्लैक एंड एप्पल नंबर्स. वाइल इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 1 वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग प्रोग्राम इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर क्रिएटिंग एंड एडिटिंग टेक्स्ट बेस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. देन ऑप्शन 2 प्रेजेंटेशन प्रोग्राम जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर क्रिएटिंग स्लाइड शोज लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट. देन ऑप्शन 3 डेटाबेस प्रोग्राम जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर मैनेजिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग लार्ज अमाउंट्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर डेटा लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस, MySQL. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर. लेट्स सी अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज्ड. Your options are 1. To keep simple company accounts. 2. Calculate employment commission payments. 3. As simple stock control system. And 4. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4. All of the above. Let's see an explanation. जो स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं दीज आर हाईली वर्सटाइल मीन्स इनको यूज़ किया जा सकता है फॉर वेरियस बिजनेस एंड फाइनेंशियल पर्पजेस इंक्लूडिंग कीपिंग सिंपल कंपनी अकाउंट्स लाइक बिजनेसेस जो हैं दे यूज स्प्रेडशीट्स टू मैनेज फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड्स track expenses and to generate financial reports, then calculating employment commission payments like your spreadsheets, and they also help in calculating commissions based on the sales figures using formulas, then acting as a simple stock control system like your companies and they use spreadsheets to track inventory, monitor stock levels and analyze sales trends. एंड एग्जाम्पल जो है स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर के दैट इंक्लूड्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, गूगल शीट्स, लाइब्रे ऑफिस क्लैक एंड एप्पल नंबर्स। देयरफॉर जो स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं ये हमें हाईली यूजफुल देखने को मिलते हैं फॉर ऑल द अबव मेंशन टास्क्स। हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अनदर क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन इज which software is used to create presentations to show to customer or staff members? Your options are 1. Report generation, 2. Graph generation, 3. Presentation software, and 4. Picture generator. Here the correct answer is option 3. Presentation software. Let's see an explanation. जो presentation softwares हैं these are specifically designed to create visual slide shows जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है for business meetings, customer presentations and staff training as well as for educational purposes. और ये जो programs हैं these programs allow users to add texts, images, animations, videos and charts in order to make their presentations more engaging and informative. And इसके जो examples हैं that includes Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, Apple Keynote and LibreOffice Impress as well as Canva for online presentation. Therefore जो presentation softwares हैं these softwares help us in effective communication of ideas, information to customers, employees and stakeholders. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see another question. The question is database software is used to. Your options are 1. Discard sales records, 2. Store contact lists, 3. Keep customer records and 4. Generating report. Here the correct answer is option 3. Keep customer records. Let's see an explanation. जो database softwares हैं these are used to store, organize and to manage large amounts of data efficiently, जो कि allow करते हैं users को to hold, update and to manipulate data whenever needed. And keeping customer records जो है it is one of the common uses of database software in businesses. And इसके जो examples हैं that includes Microsoft Access, MySQL, Oracle database, PostgreSQL and MongoDB. However, it is also important to note that ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर है इसको also यूज़ किया जाता है for storing contact lists and generating reports, but we have to go for most appropriate answer, that is option 3, keeping customer records. Hence जो हमारा option 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is DTP is a tool for graphics designers and non-designers to create visual communications for professionals. And DTP stands for, your options are 1. Device transfer protocol, 2. Desktop publishing, 3. Device transfer programs and 4. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option 2. Desktop publishing. Let's see an explanation. DTP it stands for desktop publishing, जो कि basically deal करता है with the use of specialized softwares that are basically used to create high quality printed or digital documents including brochures, flyers, magazines, books and advertisements, जो कि allow करते हैं graphic designers और non-graphic designers को to manage text, images and other elements in visually appealing layout. And इसकी जो examples हैं that includes Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Publisher, Quake Express, Scribus, that is open source DTP software. So जो DTPs हैं इनको widely यूज़ किया जाता है in publishing, marketing and graphics design to produce professional quality documents efficiently. Hence जो हमारा option 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is Corel Ventra Illustrator are examples of your options are 1 word processing, 2 graphic, 3 multimedia, and 4 DTP. As just we had discussed it, I think you will mark it rightly. Here the correct answer is option 4 DTP. Let's see an explanation. Corel Ventura and Adobe Illustrator जो हैं these are the examples of desktop publishing DTP softwares जिनको basically use किया जाता है to create high quality printed and digital materials such as brochures, flyers, magazines and books. Among which जो Corel Ventura है यह हमें प्रोफेशनल पेज लेआउट सॉफ्टवेयर देखने को मिलता है जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड टेक्निकल डॉक्यूमेंट पब्लिशिंग. एंड Adobe Illustrator जो है इट इज़ अ वेक्टर ग्राफिक्स एडिटर जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर क्रिएटिंग इलस्ट्रेशंस, लोगोस एंड पेज लेआउट्स जिसको ऑफन यूज़ किया जाता है इनटू डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. So both of these tools जो हैं that helps in typesetting, page design and graphics layout, which makes them essential for publishing, marketing and design industries. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that becomes our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is DirectX is an. This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2013. Your options are 1 computer path, 2 user interface, 3 operating system and 4 software that drives graphics software and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4 software that drives graphics software. Let's see an explanation. DirectX जो है it's nothing but a collection of application program interfaces APIs that are basically developed by Microsoft and इसको use किया जाता है to handle various tasks related to multimedia, especially cream processing and video rendering on Microsoft platforms. And some of its key functions include it enhances graphics rendering for video games and 3D applications. It also manages sound, video and input processing efficiently. It also include components like Direct 3D for 3D graphics and Direct Sound for audio. So जो 3D graphics हैं जो डायरेक्ट एक्स है इसको कॉमनली यूज़ किया जाता है इन विंडोज़ बेस्ड गेमिंग एंड मल्टीमीडिया एप्लीकेशंस टू इम्प्रूव परफॉर्मेंस एंड विजुअल इफेक्ट्स. हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is which among the following is not an example of system software? Your options are 1 operating system, 2 debugger, 3 software driver and 4 Adobe Photoshop. Here the correct answer is option 4 Adobe Photoshop. Let's see an explanation. जो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है इट इंक्लूड दोज प्रोग्रामर्स जो कि मैनेज और कंट्रोल करते हैं हार्डवेयर कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर को सच एज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंक्लूडिंग विंडोज़, लिनक्स, मैक ओएस. दैन डीबगर जो है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर ट्रबल शूटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इशूज़. एंड सॉफ्टवेयर ड्राइवर जो है इट अलाउज हार्डवेयर टू कम्युनिकेट विथ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. वाइल एडोब फोटोशॉप जो है इट इज़ एन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बट नॉट ए सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर इमेज एडिटिंग and graphics design, which makes it a productive tool for image editing and graphics design rather than system management tool. Hence जो हमारा option 4 है that is the correct answer. So let's discuss another question. The question is which application software is used for special purpose? This question had been already asked in IBP's RRPPO Mains 2018. Your options are 1 general purpose software, 2 special purpose software, 3 important software, 4 system software and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 2 special purpose software. Let's see an explanation. Special or specific purpose softwares हैं जो हैं these are basically designed to perform specific tasks that are used for also used for particular need. Like जो payroll softwares हैं these are used for salary management और हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर, बैंकिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. सो ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं दीज आर बेसिकली डिज़ाइन फॉर स्पेसिफिक टास्क्स और दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर पर्टिकुलर नीड्स. वाइल जो जनरल पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर मल्टी टास्क सच एज वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, स्प्रेडशीट एंड प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एंड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो है इट इंक्लूड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड यूटिलिटीज़ जो कि मैनेज करते हैं कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर को. हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन 2 है दैट बिकम्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is which types of software is used in organizations to keep track of products in stocks? Your options are 1. Enterprise resource planning ERP softwares, 2. Payroll softwares, 3. Human resource planning softwares, and 4. Inventory management softwares. Here the correct answer is option 4, inventory management softwares. Let's see an explanation. ये जो इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, these are specifically designed to track or to record products in stocks, monitor supply levels and managing orders efficiently, जो कि हेल्प करते हैं बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को to avoid over stocking or stock shortages by providing real time updates on inventory levels. And इसकी जो examples हैं that includes Zoho Inventory, NetSuite and Fishbowl. While if we talk about other options like option 1 enterprise resource planning ERP software जो है it is incorrect है, because हमें broader system और software देखने को मिलता है जिसको use किया जाता है in multiple business processes including inventory, finance and HR. Then option 2 payroll software जो है it is also incorrect because इसको use किया जाता है for managing employee salaries, tax deductions and benefits. And option 3 human resource planning software जो है it is also incorrect because इसको यूज़ किया जाता है इन रिक्रूटमेंट, एम्प्लॉय रिकॉर्ड्स मैनेजमेंट एंड परफॉर्मेंस ट्रैकिंग. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर. सो गाइस दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, आपने वीडियो को एंजॉय किया होगा. वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए, और अगर कहीं पे डाउट हो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. अदरवाइज़ आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. Other than that, you can also follow me on these social media platforms, and for PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that is it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.